Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, who is beneficent, who is merciful. Blessed are praises be upon our Prophet Muhammad. His outlook of humanity of reckoning our fathers, mothers, brothers, and sisters in Islam. I'm saying once again, Assalamu Alaikum, Warahmotullah, Wabarakaatuh. Our topic for today's sermon is always be thankful to Allah. Always be thankful to Allah. Also, of Allah, we all understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala deserves to be praised always. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala deserves to be appreciated always, because He gave us life, He gave us soul, He made us Muslims. There are many of our types, many of our kinds that are in the hospital presently. But alhamdulillah, we are here today. Some people are on their sick bed, they couldn't even say anything. They couldn't utter any statement. All they are looking, they are just opening their eyes when they want to look, then when they want to see. They open it when they want to sleep. They close it when they want to sleep. That's how they've been living their life for some years now. Why don't you appreciate Allah for the life He has given you? Why don't you appreciate Allah for the health He has given you? Why don't you appreciate Allah for the feeding He has been feeding you since you were young till this moment? Allah has done a lot in our lives. Allah has done an immeasurable thing in our life. Allah said, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. If you try to count the favor of Allah in your life, you can never count it. It's uncountable. It's immeasurable. It's not what you can sit and start writing. When I was 1 year old, I got this, my father got this. You can't count it. Allah has done a lot in our life that we should appreciate Allah every second in our life. What Allah has done in our life is immeasurable. So don't be an ingrate servant to Allah. Don't be an ingrate servant to Allah. Appreciate Allah always by saying Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. O servant of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala love certain words. The most beloved word to Allah is the word Alhamdulillah. Someone at Jundub narrated that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Ahabul kalam in Allah, the most beloved words to Allah, Arba, there are 4 beloved words to Allah. Subhanallah is the first one. Walhamdulillah is the second one. Wallahu wa la ilaha illallah is the third one. Wallahu akbar is the fourth one. Uttering that statement always, sincerely, having your heart, having your mind connected with these words, having your mind connected with these words and directly to Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make you the most beloved servant to Him. And whoever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made His most beloved servant, it means Allah will grant you the goodness of this life and also the hereafter. Allah will be pleased with you always. Allah will grant you everything you want. Appreciate Allah always. Don't be an ingrate. Don't see other people and think you've gotten nothing or you've got nothing. Don't see other people and be thinking Allah has done nothing in your life. Subhanallah. Allah has done a lot which you can never count what He has done in your life. Allah gave you life. That is the beginning. And He made you survive in the womb of your mother. Many people will enter that particular place which they couldn't survive. Some people survived it after they come to this life, they died. But you survived in that particular place. You came out. After living, you came out. You spent 7 days. You spent 10 days. You spent on the 40 days. You spent 1 year, 2 years, 3 years till you are today. You are still not appreciating Allah. How are you surviving? Can you transform how you'll be surviving? Can you think of how you'll be surviving? No, you can never. That is the work of Allah in our lives. That is the work of our Creator in our lives, to appreciate Allah always. Because what Allah has done for you is different from what Allah has done for me. What Allah has done for me is different from what Allah has done for you. So appreciate Allah. Allah placed our position differently. Allah placed us differently. Allah grants us His sustenance differently. You can be eating full chicken in your house, while others are eating just the flesh of the meat in their houses. They are also living. That is the different life. You may be eating just a small fish in your house, while some people are eating very big fish in their houses. That is life. Allah bless us differently. Allah favor us differently. That is life. Appreciate Allah in every situation you find yourself. Wabarakaatuh. One you should know that appreciating Allah, saying the word Alhamdulillah always, will grant you Allah's contentment. Will grant you Allah's pleasure. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Al-Zumar, Allah said, وَإِن تَشْكُرُوا يَرْضَهُ لَكُمْ. If you keep appreciating Allah, Allah will be pleased with you. Allah will be contented in you. That is why never stop appreciating Allah. The little you have, appreciate Allah. The little you have gotten, appreciate Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Appreciate Allah in your own life, in your children's life, in your spouse's life. Appreciate Allah in the life of the family. Also, Allah, you want increment of wealth, you want increment of sustenance, you want increment of everything you've had today. Be saying Alhamdulillah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Ibrahim, He said, لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. If you keep appreciating me, if you never stop appreciating Allah, لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ, I will continue increasing. Allah will continue increasing your wealth. Allah will continue increasing your children. Allah will continue increasing elevating your position. All you need is just to say Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. That is what you need. And that is only what Allah needs from you. Appreciate Allah always in every situation you find yourself. You are in difficulty, just think of Alhamdulillah. Because the difficulty you think you are facing, some people are facing more or thousands of it in their own life. The thing you think you have the problem, the hunger you think you are facing, or the challenges you think you are facing presently, some people are facing hundreds of it. So appreciate Allah in every situation you find yourself. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ease all our fears. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala elevate every one of us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uplift us. May Allah grant us every form of goodness. واستغفر الله إن الله